This is Jeff with Papé Machinery. I'm back in the field today with the autonomous 9RX tillage tractor. I'm going to get some more footage with the drone and see how things are going. You can see here the tractor is taking off to farm by itself.
So we're here on Operations Center. We're here on an iPad just to see the track that the autonomous tractor is currently running. So the blue lines across the field are basically your pre-generated autopath lines that are across the field. And then the green lines are the projected path that the tractor is running on. So you can see the tractor is currently running on this white line right here. That's basically the lead time on the tractor on that auto track path. Then as it scrolls down to the bottom end here, I'll zoom in, we can see that path making its turn back onto the next projected green line. Just a quick view. Again, we can stop work if we see a plug or an issue on the tractor. If we have a home point or entrance points like what we do right here on the field, we can actually say go to home, directions, and of course RDA, and we have the capability of RDC on this setup, so we can go into the true set and make adjustments if we want to make adjustment. We can also go to camera views, so we can load up and see in front of it, and we can see the tillage piece behind it. So if we suspect there's an issue, or if we want to just check in how it's doing, make sure it's not getting any plugs, we can go ahead and click on the rear camera. Gives you a good idea of what's going on behind the tillage piece. And we can also go to the front, so we can check out in front of it. If there's any issues that we may have coming up, we can see conditions for the field from the camera, from the app.
Checking in one last time. We've got half this circle tilled today. We only had to stop one time because it plugged up on the implement. So it's been a great day for autonomous tillage in the field. Thanks for joining us.